हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू दिस क्लास। आज हम देखने वाले हैं मोशन इन ए स्ट्रेट लाइन से और एक पैरामीटर्स दैट इज आवर एक्सेलरेशन। एक्सेलरेशन होता क्या है? व्हाट इज एक्सेलरेटेड बॉडी? we'll discuss all these things here in this class. Distance, displacement, speed, velocity ये सब already हो चुका है. If you want to watch then you can watch it. And now today we are going to discuss about the acceleration from the motion in a straight lines. So welcome to this class. Acceleration. Acceleration होता क्या है? Any object is said to be accelerated if its speed is increased or decreased with respect to time and it's also change its direction. अगर कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट अगर मूव कर रहा है, लेट्स टेक ए कार इज मूविंग, उसका स्पीड अगर इंक्रीज कर रहा है, डिक्रीज कर रहा है, उसका डायरेक्शन भी चेंज हो रहा है, दैट मीन्स विल गेट एक्सेलरेशन. कि सो एक्सेलरेशन होता क्या है? व्हाट अबाउट द डेफिनेशन ऑफ एक्सेलरेशन? रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ वेलोसिटी विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू टाइम. और उसको कैसे डिफाइन करते हैं? उसको स्मॉल ए से डिनोट करते हैं. And we can write change of velocity by time taken. Change of velocity is equals to v2 minus v1. Time taken is, let's take t2 minus t1. v1 is the velocity at t1, t2 is the velocity at t2 times. That means if we'll consider, हम अगर t1 से t2 टाइम तक लेते हैं, that means acceleration क्या होगा? velocity v2 minus v1 final velocity minus initial velocity divided by total time taken. So इसको हम और फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं vf minus vi बाई t2 माइनस t1, और t2 माइनस t1 की जगह पर क्या लिख सकते हैं हम? टोटल टाइम टेकन इज योर t. और वी कैन से दैट सो एक्सेलरेशन इज इक्वल्स टू दिस मच. इन दिस वे ऑल्सो वी कैन राइट डाउन, और एक्सेलरेशन इज इक्वल्स टू डेल v बाई डेल t. दिस वन इज ऑल्सो द एक्सेलरेशन. Change in velocity by change in time. Next, acceleration is a vector quantity. Acceleration होता क्या है? एक vector quantity है. That means you may give arrow mark. Next is unit. Unit meter per second square or centimeter per second square is its units. Next is about the dimension. Dimension LT minus 2. LT minus 2 is its dimension. और MLT के फॉर्म में अगर लिखेंगे तो मास कुछ नहीं है तो 0, L1 T minus 2. So M0 L1 T minus 2 is the dimension of acceleration. Next, let's have a look about the types of acceleration. Acceleration are of two types: uniform acceleration and non-uniform acceleration. Uniform acceleration क्या होता है? In velocity change by equal amount in equal interval of times. Then we can say that that one is uniform. Velocity और अगर equally change हो रहा है with respect to time, then we can say that one is uniform acceleration. That means acceleration constant हो रहा है. फर्स्ट 1 आवर में अगर वो 100 किलोमीटर पर आवर है, नेक्स्ट 1 आवर में भी वो 100 किलोमीटर पर आवर है, और इन ए पर्टिकुलर डायरेक्शन. सो वी कैन से दैट यूनिफॉर्म एक्सेलरेशन विल गेट यूनिफॉर्म एक्सेलरेशन. सो अगर हम उसका प्लॉट लेते हैं एक्सेलरेशन वर्सेस टाइम, then we'll get a constant line. If this one is your acceleration, then acceleration is constant. Okay, so acceleration constant आएगा अगर velocity equally change हो रहा है with respect to time, equal amount in equal interval of times. So हमें एक constant line मिलेगा और we'll get constant acceleration. That is called uniform acceleration. Next is non-uniform acceleration. Velocity changes with respect to time is not uniform. We are going to calculate velocity for different time intervals, then velocity change हो रहा है. That means उसका speed कभी increase कर रहा है, कभी decrease कर रहा है, उसका direction भी change हो रहा है. That means acceleration is not uniform. So उसका curve कैसे रहेगा? Acceleration versus time. Let's take this one is the acceleration. कभी वो increase कर सकता है, कभी decrease कर सकता है, कभी constant भी रह सकता है. That means acceleration is not uniform with respect to time. Next is about the if non-uniform acceleration is there. Here we can calculate the average and instantaneous. Now what do you mean by average acceleration? Average acceleration is denoted as A average. Average is equals to del V by del T or change of velocity by time taken. This one is average acceleration. अगर हम एक कर्व देते हैं velocity वर्सेस टाइम प्लॉट लेते हैं. लेट्स टेक दिस वन इज आवर कर्व. हमारा कर्व अगर इस तरह आ रहा है, लेट्स टेक दिस वन इज वेलोसिटी v1 एट टाइम t1. लेट्स टेक दिस वन इज द वेलोसिटी v2 एट टाइम t2. सो व्हाट अबाउट द चेंज इन वेलोसिटी? दिस वन इज चेंज इन वेलोसिटी and this is change in time. That means del V is equals to V2 minus V1 and del T is T2 minus T1. So this divided by this or change in velocity divided by change in time is your average acceleration. So what about the definition of average acceleration? Simply change in velocity divided by change in time. This is about the average acceleration. Next one is instantaneous acceleration. What do you mean by instantaneous acceleration? At any particular instant of time. Instantaneous acceleration is the rate of change of velocity at any instant of time. So instantaneous acceleration is denoted as AI. Let me take. So AI is equals to limit del t tends to 0 del v by del t, or these are the vector quantity. So इसको हम arrow mark से indicate कर सकते हैं. और this one can be written as like this, dv by dt. Rate of change of velocity at any particular time is your AI. So AI is equals to dv by dt. V is the velocity and t is the time taken, a is the acceleration, instantaneous acceleration. So instantaneous acceleration is your rate of change of velocity, rate of change of velocity at any instant of time. So rate of change of velocity at any instant of time is our instantaneous acceleration, or we can say that this one is the slope of, if this is our curve, okay, then at any point if you want to find out the instantaneous acceleration at this point, slope at any instant of time is our instantaneous acceleration. So we can take the slope at this point That means if this one is your time t1, then velocity is your v1, then v1 by t1 is our instantaneous acceleration or dv by dt at particular instant of time t1. You can see. So this is about the instantaneous acceleration. Next, acceleration depending upon its value may be of three types: positive acceleration, negative acceleration and zero acceleration. पॉजिटिव एक्सीलरेशन, जीरो एक्सीलरेशन एंड नेगेटिव एक्सीलरेशन करने के लिए एक प्लॉट लेते हैं, वेलोसिटी वर्सेस टाइम. इफ आवर प्लॉट इज लाइक दिस, अगर एक कार का मोमेंट अगर हम नोटिस कर रहे हैं, वेलोसिटी वर्सेस टाइम उसको प्लॉट कर रहे हैं, then let's take our plot is like this. So this one is 0, this one is 2, this one is 3, this is 4, this one is 5, this one is 6. So now let's take different time interval. First 0 to 2. 0 to 2 second. What happened? 0 to 2 seconds velocity is increasing. Velocity is increasing. Means you will get positive acceleration. Because V2 is more than V1 and V2 minus V1 is your positive value. That's why we'll get positive acceleration. Next is 2 to 4. 2 to 4 second. If we'll take, then velocity is constant. Velocity is constant. That means del V by del T is equals to 0. That's why we'll get zero acceleration. Next, 4 to 6 second. 4 to 6 second. 4 to second velocity is decreasing. Velocity is decreasing means negative acceleration. Negative acceleration is also called retardation. So we'll get retardation or negative acceleration. Then if velocity is decreasing, that means final velocity is less than your initial velocity. That's why we'll get negative value or negative acceleration. So this is all about the acceleration. Let's discuss some problem related to our acceleration. A car is moving with 20 meter per second and stop after 20 seconds. Then find its acceleration. Let's take a simple one. So if a car is moving with 20 meter per second, तो initial velocity क्या दिया गया है? 20 meter per second. Stop after 20 seconds. That means final velocity दिया गया है 0. Time required is 20 seconds. So what about the acceleration? Vf minus Vi by time t, or 0 minus 20 by 20 seconds, or minus 1 meter per second square. So acceleration is minus 1. That means this is your retardation. Let's take one more example. A particle has an initial velocity 3 I cap plus 4 j cap and final velocity 7 I cap plus 7 j cap. Find its acceleration at 10 seconds. यहाँ पर इनिशियल वेलोसिटी दिया गया है vi इज इक्वल्स टू दिया गया 3 I cap प्लस 4 j cap, और फाइनल वेलोसिटी दिया गया है 7 I cap प्लस 7 j cap. So time is given 10 seconds. That means time is equals to 10 seconds. So how we are going to calculate the acceleration? Average acceleration is equals to Vf minus Vi divided by time. Again, that means your 7 I cap plus 7 j cap minus 3 I cap plus 4 j cap divided by 10 and its value is 4 I cap plus 3 j cap divided by 10 और 0.4 I cap plus 0.3 j cap is its acceleration. Acceleration एक vector quantity है, so you may give arrow mark. So this one is your acceleration. Okay, acceleration in vector form we can calculate, or we can calculate how much unit each this one. So mod of a we can take for its value root over of 0.4 square plus 0.3 square, or its value is 0.5 meter per second square. It's its unit. That is one more examples. Velocity vt दिया गया है 20 t square minus 2t meter per second. That means it depends upon the time, and find its instantaneous velocity at 3 seconds or instantaneous acceleration at 3 seconds. So instantaneous velocity निकालना है हमें और उसका acceleration निकालना है at 3 seconds. First bit is your instantaneous velocity. Vi is equals to simply Vt at t equals to 3 seconds. So इस relations में अगर हम t का value डाल देंगे we'll get the instantaneous velocity. So 20 into 3 square minus 2 into 3, और its value is your 180 minus 6 or 174 meter per second. This one is our instantaneous velocity. Next, instantaneous acceleration. Instantaneous acceleration is your dv by dt, rate of change of velocity at that instant of time. That means t equals to 3 seconds पे हमें निकालना है. So first dy dt of this velocity is equals to, इसका डेरिवेटिव लेंगे तो कितना होगा? So dy dt of 20 t square minus 2t at t equals to 3, or its value is 40 t minus 2 at t equals to 3 seconds. Value is your 40 into 3 minus 2. So 120 minus 2 is your 118 meter per second square. Now instantaneous acceleration आ गया 118 meter per second square और velocity आ गया 174 meter per second at t equals to 3 seconds. So for any particular time we can find out the instantaneous velocity or instantaneous acceleration. This is all about the accelerations. We have already covered the acceleration definition. It's your types. That means यूनिफॉर्म क्या हो सकता है, नॉन यूनिफॉर्म क्या हो सकता है, एवरेज कैसे निकालेंगे, इंस्टेंटेनियस कैसे निकालेंगे, पॉजिटिव एक्सेलरेशन क्या होता है, नेगेटिव एक्सेलरेशन क्या होता है, देन योर जीरो एक्सेलरेशन क्या होता है. सो वी हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस ऑल दिस थिंग्स एंड सम प्रॉब्लम वी हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस, कुछ प्रॉब्लम भी बना लिए उसका रिलेटेड. सो गो एंड प्रैक्टिस ऑल दिस थिंग्स, एंड इफ यू लाइक्स देन डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब.